Okay, so I own the GoPro Hero 11, which is what you're watching me on right now. And I've got to say, I've been a bit disappointed with the image quality coming from this camera, mainly due to the skin tones. The actual image quality of the rest of the footage is pretty good, but I think the skin tones look pretty bad. It looks like you're kind of being put under the microscope a little bit. Here on my right, you're watching the DJI Action 3, and I think the skin tones on this camera look a little bit better. What do you think? Let me know. So I've been looking for a fix for this, and I think I've found it, so I thought I would do a quick video. Now, I've noticed the skin tones look pretty bad in the natural profile and in the kind of boosted profile on the GoPro. So the fix for this is to stick it into flat. So this is the DJI Action 3. Skin tones look pretty good, pretty even. What do we think? This is the GoPro Hero 11 on natural, which is what you would think would be the best picture profile for your skin, the natural one, right? Let's change it to the flat picture profile. Okay, so we have now switched to the flat picture profile. What do you think of this? Of course, the whole image looks a little bit flatter than it did before, but I do think it has actually smoothed out the skin tones and potentially looks better than the DJI Action 3. I'm walking around so you can see as the sun sort of hits my face how different it looks, but I actually think the skin tones now look a little bit more natural. You do need to boost up the saturation, I think, a little bit, but this isn't quite as flat as I was expecting. And if you download the GoPro Luts from Editor's Keys as well, you can improve the footage even more. I'll put the footage on now. So this is without the GoPro Lut. Let's stick it on. And this is what the GoPro Lut looks like now. Vastly improved. So what do you think of this? Is it now better than the DJI Action 3, which you're watching me on right now? Or do you prefer the flat look? I hope this helped you. This is just a quick video today. As you can tell, I'm doing this in about 5 minutes, but I just wanted to do this video to help anyone out there who's also having this same issue. So all the best. Make sure to give it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.